Before we start, I just want to say that this video was made for entertainment purposes. So please don't take this video seriously. If you didn't watch the part 1 of this video, I recommend you to watch the part 1. I'll put link into the description of this video. So enjoy this video, I guess.
Hello guys, Anya here. So today I'm making Marina's twisted form. Let me tell you how Marina become a twisted. So Marina didn't have an idea what to cook. But then Marina saw that there was an ichor in her room. She thought that ichor was a dark chocolate. But then she had an idea to make a cake with an ichor. She didn't care where was Sprout and Cosmo. So she decided to cook a cake without Sprout and Cosmo. But when she cooked a cake with an ichor, she decided to taste this cake if this cake was good or not. But she didn't knew that she cooked a cake with an ichor. But when she tasted this cake, she had a very strange feeling. And then she became a twisted. And also she didn't care where is a dark berry. So this is how she become a twisted.
Anya, your best friend Emily is going to invite you.
Mom, but when she is gonna to invite me?
Emily's mom said that she is gonna invite you soon. And also Emily's family is also going to invite you, except for Emily's dad because he is living in Japan and he can't invite you.
Oh, okay Mom. By the way, here are Marina's trinket. Mix and match. With this trinket you complete a machine with 10 seconds. And also I'm going to make a questions and answers soon. So please drop me questions in the comments. Anyways, she is a common twisted. Her speed, above average for walking, 9 chasing, panic mode 5.1 walking, 12.5 chasing, suppression 5 walking, 11.5 chasing. If you are wondering why is she slow, just because she is drunk with an ichor lol. Mechanic, none. Attention span, low 5 seconds. Detection range, low. 10 circular vision, 50 direct vision, 130 hearing radius. I don't know what to say, so just watch the speed paint.
Anya, Emily is gonna invite your room right now.
Okay, Mom. Hi, bestie. Oh, hello, Emily. What you doing? Okay, and how about you? Good. Thanks for asking me. What are you drawing right now? I'm drawing Marina's twisted form, and she is a vanilla milkshake BW. She don't look like a milkshake. She more looks like a Cuphead sister. No, she is not a Cuphead sister, and she is 100% looks like a milkshake. But for me it's completely opposite. Why are you so mean to me? I'm not mean. I'm telling you the truth, you. What did you just call me? Just what you heard, you big fat stupid. I'm gonna tell your mother right now. Okay, call my mother. I don't care lol. Miss Riley.
What happened, Anya?
Your daughter sweared at me for no reason.
Emily, how dare you swear at your best friend for nitrogen monoxide reason? Didn't I just tell you that swearing on someone is really bad? That's it, you are grounded for 1 month. And we are going to home right now, and we will have a serious conversation when we will arrive at home.
Woo.
What's going on here?
Your little sister Emily just sweared at her best friend for no reason, and we are going to home right now.
Emily, I thought that you just changed.
No, they are telling lies. I didn't swear at my best friend for no reason.
Sorry, Emily, but I believe our mother more than you.
Okay, so let's just go home right now.
Woo. I don't want to go home right now.
I will drag your feet right now.
If you are gonna do it, I'm gonna turn into my alpha mode right now.
Cutely drags her feet.
Imagine being an alpha in the big 2026.
Oh my god, shut up!
Finally, she's gone. I'm sorry guys that you have to hear my toxic friend. She's so freaking annoying. I don't know what to say, so just watch my speed paint. By the way, her skin and vintage skin is coming soon. Bye guys!